Hey everybody, how we doing? Um, I just wanted to jump in here to give my condolences to the Meisner family. Randy Meisner, one of the originals of the Eagles, has passed away, and my heart goes out to the family and to Randy. He was one of the originals and had a tremendous voice. He passed away 2 days ago on July 26th. He passed away of COPD, which is a condition from smokers like myself. And I just wanted to jump in for a couple minutes just to give my condolences. So rest in peace, Randy. We love you. Your music will always be in our hearts and in our memories. And thank you, everybody, for tuning in. I appreciate it. And if you would please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave comments because I do appreciate them and I do look at them. So with that being said, you guys have a great day and we'll see you in the next video. And as always, we'll see you.